welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making potato salad, the way my mother has always made it. Coming up. To begin, we need a small red onion or half a medium-sized onion, and we're going to dice it very fine. Transfer the onion into a small mixing bowl. Then add in enough white vinegar to soak the minced onion in. And set it aside. Now we need 2 pounds of potatoes cut into cubes, 3 carrots cut into cubes as well. Then place your potatoes and your carrots into a large pot. Add 6 eggs straight from the fridge. Pour in enough cold water until everything has been submerged. Season the water with about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Set the fire to medium-high and bring to a boil. Once the water begins to boil, set your timer to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, get the eggs out the pot and place into an ice bath. The cold water and the ice are going to prevent the eggs from cooking any further. We don't want gray and dark yolks. Continue to cook the potatoes and the carrots until nice and tender. And after a few more minutes, let's check on our potatoes, and it looks like they are done. Let's move on to the next step. Transfer the potatoes and the carrots into a large mixing bowl. We have to let them cool off completely before we add the rest of the ingredients. And while the vegetables are cooling off, let's go ahead and peel our eggs. Now cut up all 6 eggs and mix with the potatoes and the carrots. Then add in the pickled onion into the bowl. You may let some of the vinegar get in, but not a lot. Then add in 1½ cups of mayo into the bowl. Toss it all in. At this point, you may give it a taste and adjust salt and pepper. It needs a little bit of salt, so we're going to do a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. We give it a final toss Keep in the fridge and serve cold. And there you guys have it, potato salad, the way my mother has always made it. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.